All right, guys. So I got the new Norco Range e-bike C2. This is my buddies over here. We got a couple. Still have the giant rein, and still loving the pivot. Favorite pedal bike. So one of the things is the Range comes with the E13 wheels. I'm not a huge fan of those. They're 27 inners. So I picked up a set of ibis 738, and these have a 34 inner. I tried to load them up the other day on the bike, and the tape that was on there, Gorilla tape, was all jacked up. It had some holes, had a bunch of tears in it, so every time I filled it up, just air was leaking everywhere. So I went over to my buddy Bill's shop, Psychological, got some DT Swiss tape, and we're gonna retape these bad boys. Gonna give you a couple pointers on how to do it, and hopefully it turns out perfect so we can start shredding. Yep. All right, I got master mechanic Nick here. Came over to help. Did you comb your hair this morning? Just came from the local bike shop. Got some DT Swiss tape. What are we running? 30? What is that? 30 mil, I think.
You need your hair combed when all you do is have a helmet on.
And what we did is we put the wheel on the forks, just so we can use it as a guide, and it'll be easier to hold, easier to tape. Should make it a lot faster and a lot better.
Time. You have to decide which side you're gonna try to stick more, and then work it out the other way. So in this rim, because this tape's not wide enough, you see how there's a little gap right here? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna start on this bead here, and we have a lot more surface area here than we do on this side. So we'll try to tuck it in here. Because ultimately, you don't want two of the tape edges showing if you can help it. Like if we were to move this tape over a little and split the difference, and we could see a little edge of this, you don't want an area when you're unseating the tire to be pushing on this raw edge right there. So you might as well just deal with one side then too. I don't like the stands, or whatever you're using, if it stands, any other kind of liquid, to be pushing on the end, on the exposed edge of the tape. I like it to go the other way.
Do you start at the stem hole?
Yeah. I start a little bit on the other side of the stem hole, which we did. Should be right around here somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Where did I? It's right around here somewhere. Right
there you
here.
are. Want scissors?
Not yet. Stem holes here. So go. That should do it.
Nice.
And then obviously when the last piece of tape goes down, try not to touch it too much because you want that to be really sticky.
One of the keys is keeping the rim clean beforehand. We spent about 20 minutes on each wheel cleaning it, using brake fluid, brake cleaner. We got it, all the glue off of it, made sure it was extra clean so the tape sticks on there extra good. That looks pretty good. But since we're talking about it, if you do need a new vehicle, I sell cars for a living. I don't know if you know that. 99 Porsche, it's a cheap one. Ford van's mine, not for sale. Little Tacoma in the background, it's for sale. Go to elitedealersales.com. I'll put a link in there also in case you want to buy some new rig for carry all your bikes around in. Give you the bro deal.
Wonderful.
All right, so far holding. Let's see, true test is we're gonna ride it tomorrow. That's it. Hope that helps. If you need to put some tape on your wheels, get some DT tape and have your buddy Nick do it. Perfect.